In this video, we're going to go ahead and replace our bumper bracket located right behind our front bumper right here. I'm going to go ahead and remove our upper radiator cover here. We're going to use our trim tool. I'm going to pop up the center of these buttons, pop out the clips, and do this right across the whole front. With all the buttons removed, go ahead and lift that up and set it aside. Across the top of your grill is going to be 3 of these plastic push button clips. Go ahead and use your trim tool. Pop these out. Across the bottom of the grill, you can reach in and gently pull out towards you. And do this across the bottom. When you release this here, you're popping the bottom tabs out of the top of the bumper. Underneath, we're going to go ahead and use our trim tool, and we're going to pop out this plastic clip right here. Set that aside. The bottom here, we're going to go ahead and remove these bolts here. These are 1/2 inch. We're going to use our 10mm socket and remove these screws. Go ahead and slide the splash shield out and sort of set it aside. Here's our 1/2 inch socket. Remove this screw. Using our 10mm socket, remove these screws. And go ahead and remove that splash shield, set it aside. On the back side here, we're going to go ahead and twist the bulb, pop that out, and go ahead and repeat for the other side. I'm going to use our flathead screwdriver right here. I'm going to go ahead and turn that. Work this out. On the top right here, there's normally a Phillips head screw. Ours is missing, but you want to go ahead and use your Phillips head screwdriver, remove that screw. Then we're going to go ahead and repeat for the passenger side. Across the top of your bumper, I'm going to locate these 3 plastic trim buttons. I'm going to pop these out. Now on this side here, on the driver's side, you want to go ahead and grab the edge of the bumper. What you're going to do is you're going to pull it away from our fender. So grab that, give it a little tug, and what you're doing is you're disconnecting the bumper from the bumper bracket right here. You're going to work your way around. You're going to do the same for the passenger side. Once those clips are released, go ahead and grab the bumper, pull it straight forward and away from the vehicle. Let's go ahead and remove our 10mm bolt, securing the bumper bracket in place here. On the inside right here, there are 2 little clips. We're going to pinch those and pull the bracket outward. And this will pop right out. For installation, you want to go ahead and just install the expansion clip right here into the fender. Push it in, you'll hear it lock into place. Take your 10mm bolt, line that up into your headlight bracket, and go ahead and snug that bolt down. Once that bolt bottoms out, about 1/4 of a turn, and you're plenty snug. You're going to bring your bumper up. Line up our bumper with the headlight, working this around. We want to get this lined up into our fender, into our bumper mount here, and just press it in, lock it into place. You're going to work your way around, making sure that the bumper is hanging on our supports here. Work our way around to the passenger side and lock this into place. Install your plastic push clips here. Go ahead and lock those in. With our fender liner lined up here inside of our bumper, we're going to install our plastic pushpins. Let's go ahead and do the same on the other side. Again, take your wiring harness, line it up, snap it onto that bulb. Now repeat for the other side. Let's go ahead and install our passenger side splash shield here. And get this screw just spun up hand tight to hold that. Let's go ahead and line this up here. Going to get our middle screw started here. Snug down the bigger bolts first. We were missing one of our clips here, so we're going to replace it. So installing our grille, there's a series of these tabs on the bottom that need to lock into the lower portion of our bumper. Let's go ahead and line this up. Line that up and go ahead, push our grille back. Once the grille is locked in, let's go ahead across the top. We're going to install the 3 retaining buttons. And install our upper radiator cover here. Drop drop that into place. We're just going to go ahead and install our plastic buttons or push pins across the top here. I'm just going to continue to do this until we're all done with these buttons.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.